Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to The Beautyscape, and those who are watching my video for the very first time, welcome to my channel, welcome to The Beautyscape. And guys, I'm really sorry because I was not able to shoot any videos since 1.5 months, but as I told you, like whenever I will get time, I will sit and shoot a video and post it on my channel. And yeah, like after a very long time, I have finally got some time to sit and shoot a video, and I have to edit this also. Yeah guys, the festive season is over and I know that I'm not the only one who is feeling really sad, but I know like you all are also feeling really sad because you know the Durga Puja is gone and Navratri has gone. Like everything that brings happiness to us in a year, like these 5 days, we all really enjoy a lot, because in the whole year this is the only time when we really like enjoy a lot, really a lot, with our friends and colleagues and so on, and our family. And you know, like everything which lasts long doesn't give that happiness, but which comes really for a very short period of time, that really gives us the most of the happiness that we want. So yeah, so from my side, Shubha Vijaya to everyone, because I'm a Bengali and in our Bengali tradition we say Shubha Vijaya to everybody who is watching this video right now. So today is Sunday and tomorrow is Monday, so from tomorrow we all will get back to our work, to our old scheduled life. And I know like करना तो पड़ेगा ही, फिर से वही boring काम and all the enjoyment is over and finally we are here to work. So yeah, so today's video is basically a haul video and a review video as well, because all the products which I'm going to share in this video, I have purchased this before the puja, and I have used all of these products in the puja to do my makeup. This is basically a makeup haul, and also I have purchased some jewelries which I will show you, because I'm really excited, because I haven't worn all of the jewelries in the puja because I wore a traditional outfit only one day during the Durga Puja, so I was not able to wear all of the jewelries, but I'm really excited to wear those, so that's why I will share this with you in this video. And before that, I will share with you the makeup products which I have purchased. So before I start with this video, I would like to tell you that I have no makeup on my face because I wanted to give you a skin update, like what is the condition of my skin right now, because in the last video I have told you like I had really bad reaction on my skin due to some products that I was using, but now it's almost like cured and I'm trying to get over the scars really quick. So I will share you the condition of my skin at present. So I have no makeup on my face so that I can show you my bare face. So I was using this tranexamic acid serum from Be Minimalist for almost 1 month now, and I can show you like what's the condition of my skin now. So if you want to see the previous picture, like the previous condition of my skin, you can go back to the previous video, the last video which I uploaded. You can see the condition of my skin which was previously there. I will show you my skin now, like what's the condition at present. So like as you can see, my scars have reduced a lot, because if you see the previous condition, it was really very bad, and yeah, like it's improving, but I will say tranexamic acid is working very slow. Like I expected that it will work a bit faster, but it's not like that. It will work very slowly on your skin, and I think I have to use it for almost 2 to 3 months continuously, then the scars will go away finally. And yeah, I'm not getting any acne anymore, and the scars is the only thing that I have to deal with. So yeah, so that was my skin update which you guys were waiting for, and many of you commented like how my skin is improving after using this tranexamic acid. So that's why I showed you the condition of my skin at first, and now I will share with you the products that I have purchased. So like I have purchased random products, please don't judge. First product that I will like to share with you is the makeup brush that I have purchased. So I have purchased only 2 makeup brushes, and I'm like trying to have a collection of makeup brush because I don't have any makeup brush. So I'm like slowly purchasing one by one, and I will get a collection of my own makeup brush. So the first one which I have purchased is this PAC concealer brush. So you can see this is the concealer brush 272. The brush number is 272, and this is a concealer brush from PAC. So I have already used this brush, so you can see the concealer is there on the bristles. It's basically a kind of a stiff kind of a brush, and you can see there's an angle so that you can really go inside the corner of your eyes to apply the concealer. So it's really a very good brush for applying concealer because it really helps you to go inside the corners of your eyes to like blend the concealer properly. So it's really a very good brush, and it has a like not that much fluffy, so you can be more precise and apply the concealer wherever you want. Next, the brush which I have purchased is again a brush from PAC. So this is the PAC 264 brush. So this is a very fluffy powder brush from PAC. So you can see the brush number is 264. So also I have used this brush, and this is really a very like fluffy brush kind of. So I really love this brush because it's so huge, and you can just go on and apply your compact on your face, and yeah, for that it's really good. So yeah, these are the 2 brushes which I have purchased, and I will also purchase more makeup brushes like gradually. So next, I have purchased many products from K-Beauty. The first product that I have purchased from K-Beauty is this orange corrector stick, which you can see, and I have already used a lot of it. So you can see it has become blunt, and I have to sharpen it because it is not retractable, like it doesn't come up when you rotate this thing. So you have to sharpen this thing to get more product. So yeah, so about this product, I really thought this will be very good, but I thought it will be a bit more pigmented because the concealers from LA Girl, so those LA Girl also have orange corrector, so that is really very much pigmented. So I thought it will be also pigmented, but the pigmentation is a little bit less than what I expected. So it like, if I show you, so this is the kind of pigmentation you get from this corrector stick, which I don't think it's really effective. I thought, like, I expected it to be a bit more pigmented, but it's not, so it's a disappointing thing for me at least. So I'm really a bit disappointed with this corrector stick, and I don't think I will purchase this again. So next is the lip crayons which I have purchased. So I'm really impressed with the colors because the first one is this matinee lip crayon in the shade Autograph. So you can see this is the stick, this is a crayon, and I can show you the color. Oh my god, you can see it's really so like gorgeous. It's a gorgeous shade, I will say, and I have like used it during the puja, and this shade really looks good on brown skin tone. Like on a darker skin tone, it will really look really gorgeous. Like you can wear it with traditional looks. You can wear it with sari, with kurti, with anything, and it's really very, very nice shade. It's a very nice shade. I really love this color. So I have used this lip crayon, so I can tell you, like, it's not very much long lasting because when you eat food, it starts to fade out from the middle of your lips, but when you apply it, it really glides very smoothly on your lips, and then like it gives you a matte finish. And I am wearing a lip crayon right now. It's from K-Beauty, and you can see it gives you a matte finish, but at the same time it is not very much long lasting like a liquid lipstick. If you expect it to be long lasting as a liquid lipstick, you will be wrong because it's not like that. But I love this lip crayon. So the next lip shade that I have purchased is Rom-Com. This is again a lip crayon from K-Beauty, and this is the shade which I'm wearing right now. You can see it's a very beautiful shade. You can wear it with any western attire. It's a you can see what a beautiful color this is. It's really very good. I really love the color. You can wear it with any western attire, as I said, and oh my god, you can see how gorgeous the color is. I really love it. So yeah, so I have basically purchased this 2 lip crayons. This is the shade Rom-Com, as I mentioned. So I have basically purchased this 2 lip crayons and this corrector stick. So I got a lip crayon free. So I can show you the shade, but this shade I don't like very much. This is you can see the color, but this shade I really don't like that much because it's not meant for dark skin tones and for brown skin tones basically. So this is the shade Fox Pass, but it will look really good on a fairer skin tone because this is a very good nude shade for meant for fairer skin tones basically. This is not meant for darker or brown skin tones. So yeah, so I got this free. The next product from K-Beauty that I have purchased is this K-Beauty Matte Compact in the shade 160Y. So yeah, this is the shade. As you can see, 160Y tan. So I can show you. And yeah, this compact is really very good. And oh my god, just see the packaging. It's so elegant. I really love the packaging of this compact. And if you see the shade, this is the shade. This is a perfect match to my skin tone. I was really not sure of the shade, it will match my skin tone or not, but it matched my skin tone beautifully. It's a yellow undertone compact, and it is basically for a medium to dark skin tone, and you can see it really matches my skin tone very well. And yeah, it also sets your makeup beautifully. After you apply any kind of a foundation, you can just set all your makeup with this compact. The only thing which I did not like from K-Beauty is the corrector stick, and I don't think I will purchase that anymore. But the rest of the products are really good and I am really impressed. So next is this very common product from Maybelline New York. This is the highlighter in the shade, this is a Molten Gold highlighter that I have purchased. So there's another shade Rose Gold, but I purchased this Molten Gold one. It's really a very good highlighter in such a price point. Okay, so I forgot to tell you the price of the products. So yeah, this corrector stick and this lip crayons, this costed to me around 600 to 700 rupees. I don't really remember the exact price. And this compact, this was around 675 rupees. And all these brushes, this was so the price of this brush was 595 and there was no discount on this brush, and this was also around 600 rupees. And next, this highlighter, this I got at around 350 to 375, something at that price. So yeah, so the next product that I have purchased from Maybelline is this mascara. This is a very famous mascara that many people use. This is the Maybelline New York Colossal Mascara. So this mascara is really good, but it does not give you that volume that I wanted. So if you want to wear a mascara every day while going to college or office or something, so you can definitely go for it, because you don't want a voluminous look for everyday wear, but it definitely defines your lashes to some extent. So it's good from that perspective. You can wear it on a daily basis, and I would not have bought this one, but yeah, I actually wanted to purchase the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, which I have also purchased, but I have ordered that later on because at that time there was no discount on that L'Oreal one. So I actually got that mascara at a very good deal, so I will share with you that later on. So yeah, so this I purchased in my first order, And then I have purchased this eyeliner from Maybelline. So this is the Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner, but I really hate this eyeliner. I really hate this eyeliner because it is not that much like it's very watery. If I show you, like it's very watery kind of like consistency, and it can smudge really quick. If you have hooded eyes, then it can smudge really quick. So also, and but the one thing that I like is the applicator of this eyeliner. The applicator is really very good. It helps you to like create any kind of eye look. So the applicator is good, but the consistency of this eyeliner is not at all good. It's very watery, and I will not purchase this anymore. So the next thing that I have purchased is this setting spray from NYX, and I really love this setting spray. It really sets your makeup for the whole day. Like if you wear it like for 6 to 8 hours, it will not let your makeup ruin. But yeah, like I really love this setting spray. It comes in a quantity of 60 ml and it costs around 875 rupees, but I got this at 700, and yeah, I really love this. It was in my wish list for a very long time. Like the next two products that I will show you, I have purchased this in a like very good deal which was going on in Nykaa. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and liquid lipstick. The shade is, I think okay, I'm not getting the shade name. So the price of this liquid lipstick is 650, and this is around like 700 rupees, I guess. But I got this too at only 600 rupees. I know you will not believe, but yeah, like if okay, this is the shade name. This is the shade of this lipstick, 136 Armored. So this is also a very beautiful shade. I will show you. And this mascara, what, like anything I say about this mascara will be less, because it really gives you that long lash, that voluminous look that you want, and it's very good for party wear. And yeah, this is my favorite mascara till now. And the shade of this lipstick, the packaging is really very nice. You can see, so beautiful. And the shade, it's also a dark reddish kind of a shade. See, this is very close to this Autograph lip crayon from K Beauty, but the Autograph is really a bit darker, I think. Yeah, this is more reddish and the Autograph is more brownish. This is the difference basically, but this is also a very good shade. You can wear it with sari, and it's a very bold kind of a shade, and I really like it. So, and also this lasts really long. Like you have to apply a micellar water, then a cleanser, then a face wash to like remove this lipstick, and like it leaves a stain on your lips, kind of a red stain on your lips, even if you remove it with a makeup remover. So it's a very long lasting lipstick. If you are looking for a long lasting liquid lipstick, you can definitely go with this L'Oreal liquid lipstick range. It has a variety of shades in it. And yeah, these two products I have ordered later on because of the deal that I was getting. I will show you the makeup sponge that I have purchased from Plume & Co. This is the microfiber velvet sponge, and I didn't have a proper makeup sponge. I used that 30 rupees wala makeup sponge itne dinon se, but this is the time that I invested in a high-end makeup sponge. So this was around 500 rupees, and yeah, I have already used it, and if you don't mind, it has makeup foundation stains on it. I didn't get time to wash it off, but yeah, this is the makeup sponge. Like it was originally white in color, but it has turned brown now. It's really important that you invest in a good makeup sponge or a brush, because unless you use a proper makeup sponge or brush, it absorbs most of the foundation that you apply. But since it's a microfiber and velvet sponge, so it doesn't absorb the foundation that much, and it really helps to apply it all over your skin uniformly. And I'm really loving this makeup sponge. It's really very good, and like it's worth the price it takes. Previously I was thinking like, why the price of a sponge I can see the difference. Like the previous sponge that I used, the 30 rupees wala sponge and this 500 rupees wala sponge, you can clearly see the difference. If I show you, like you can see it's how much hard this is, and you can see how much soft it is. You can clearly see that. Like that's the difference, guys. Like if you apply makeup with this sponge, it will absorb much foundation, and if you apply it with this sponge, it will help in the proper and uniform application of the foundation without absorbing the foundation. So this is the difference, and yeah, this is the difference basically. So I know this is not much, but these are the products that I have purchased. Okay. So these are the products that I have purchased, and these products costed me around 6,000 rupees. If you don't believe, yeah, makeup is costly, but what to do? Puja was coming and I need to purchase this product because I didn't have a setting spray, I didn't have a mascara, I didn't have, my eyeliner was also over, I didn't have a highlighter, I didn't have a proper makeup brush, so I have to purchase all of these products at a time. So also I didn't have a primer, so I purchased this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth primer. This is for normal to dry skin, and yeah, I really love this primer. It gives you that dewy and smooth look. Since I have a dry skin, I went for this primer. It also has a matte variant. So if you have oily skin, you can go for that, and it is really a very good primer. It really holds your makeup for a very long time, and yeah. So it comes in a quantity of 30 ml, and the price I got this at 445 rupees. And lastly, I will show you the jewelry that I have purchased. I have purchased this from an Instagram store. Like if you want, I can give the link of that page in the description, so you can check it out. Like they really have a good collection of jewelries, and I will show you. So the first thing that I have purchased is this beautiful jhumkas. These are really so much pretty. Like if you wear it with a kurti, it will really look good on you, and like I really love the design. You can see. Really love this. So next I have purchased this studs, and like the price of these jewelries are really affordable. Like if you see, these are really affordable. Like I got this at only 50 rupees, and these are also really good. Like it will look good if you wear it with a sari. These are like awesome. So next I have this long necklace that I have purchased with the earrings. This is a set. So first I will show you the necklace. So this is the long necklace. You can wear it with sari. It's good to wear it with sari or a kurti. You can wear it with anything. So it's really very good, and and it also has earrings with it. These are the earrings. So it basically matches this thing. This thing, it basically matches with it. So this I got like I think around 200 rupees. The price of the set was only 200 rupees, and it was really cheap. And also I have a choker with 2 earrings and 1 ring also. So yeah, this is a very gorgeous choker. You can see. It has stones on it. This is really gorgeous. And it has matching earrings with it. Basically the design is same. So this is the ring and these are the earrings. You can see that these are the same design. So yeah, these are the jewelries that I have purchased. So I really wanted to share it with you. So yeah, I showed it in this video only. So if you guys like any of this, I can share the link of that store in the description. You can check it out. So yeah, that was everything that I purchased before this puja, because I really wanted to, you know. Okay guys, so yeah, that was everything that I wanted to share with you. I don't know like when I will get time again, and hope I will get time soon to shoot a video for you guys. And yeah, next I will come up with a skincare video, obviously. This was basically a makeup video. And yeah, so yeah guys, so finally also once again Shubho Vijaya to all of you. Hope you stay safe and stay healthy, because in this Durga Puja there was a lot of rush in the pandals for you know, so in this situation this is not really expected, but what to say, like, so stay safe and stay healthy, because this is a high time when we should take care of ourselves. More occasions are coming, because next there will be Diwali, then Bhai Dooj, everything will be there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. And I hope I will get time to shoot my next video very soon. So yeah, until then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep supporting me as you are doing always. Thank you guys, I love you all.